not sure that this is going to be a fun experience, to be honest with you. But I think we have to do it for science.
Caleb, it's 5 degrees out.
It is 5 degrees out, and I am freezing in gloves, and now I'm going to go get in that water. We have this super nice, thin ice. You guys see this right here? This stuff? Super thin, okay? Thin enough that you're going to step out onto this, not realize how thin it is, and you're going to hear that really nice sound we all love to hear. Ready? Right like that, right?
What happens if you can't get out?
Well, I've got this rope. I've got my dog here. What I'm gonna do is basically have him grab the rope and start to pull. Now to practice that, here's what I'm gonna do. Yes, go, fast, go. Since he didn't have a clear target on the leash, he was getting confused with how to pull, where to pull. So I hope this makes it a little bit easier. We're gonna see. Take, go. Good boy, good dog, yeah. Yeah, good boy, yeah. Yeah. Good boy, yeah, good dog. Back. Yeah, butts. Hold. Good boy, yeah, good dog. This is the first time my dog has ever done this. We're gonna see how he does. If he is successful, that's what counts. House. Boy, Patrick, go. Keep going, buddy. Keep going. Good boy. Good. Go. Good boy. Pull. Good boy. Good boy. Keep going. Keep going, bud. Good boy. Good. Hold. Pulling above the ice now. Shit! Pattern. Let's. Just lost my hatchet. There's the start of my hole. And I could still technically. Okay, pattern, take, go, pattern, back up, back, take, back. Good boy. Yeah, good dog. Good dog. Go on, take back. Good boy. Good boy. Take back. Good dog. Go. Go on, Pattern, go. Go on, Pattern, go. Good boy. Good boy. Good dog. Good dog. All right. Good boy. I am soaked. Cold. Come here. Yeah, you did it. You did it, buddy. Come here.
Good job!
Okay. I'm freezing, but I'm not satisfied. I thought that was deeper. We're gonna go deeper this time. Get that untangled. This is gonna definitely be over my head, I would think. I gotta literally break a circle around me in the ice. Okay, it's going under. Let's see if he can save me. Pattern, good boy. Live. No pattern. Easy, buddy. There it is. Okay. Pattern, go. Back. Good boy. Go on. Go. I'm literally floating. Go, Pattern, go. Go, Pattern, go. Go, Pattern, go. Good boy. Come on, Pattern. Good boy. Yeah, Pattern, go. Good dog. Okay, I'm satisfied. My dog is cooler than yours. I'm going inside.